it's my word. I be down with you guys. I be down with you guys forever, forever. Every Monday I wake up and say I will be the best before Wednesday. I'm the one who can do it this way. I will let you know when I get in. Unfinished joints in the ashtray. In my lab cooking the hot shit. I'm not only assuming that I'm great, I will make it real, 'cause I find